Hello, in this video I want to show you how to take a selfie with Infinix Zero Ultra. And to do this you will need to open a camera. Next thing is to change to the front camera. Here I already have it. And front one, you can also rotate it with this button. So now another thing is to make sure that it catches your entire face. And then click on the shutter. You can use different poses and still capture many photos. And now let's check them out. Sorry, that's my alarm. And that's how you take a selfie. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.